Edday Derito is a very happy mom, a very happy parent. Thutha wa Ndeto akorwo agĩciana followers zake, Ndeto akĩanĩrĩra kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria akiuga nĩ mwĩkĩrĩte gĩkeno kĩnene mũno ngoro na nĩ ndeto ciĩgiĩ kairĩtu gake na Samido Charlene karĩa ica ikuhĩ kerega gũkorwo gakĩjoin cukuru kũrĩa USA. Edday earlier explained atĩ her firstborn daughter Charlene was the main reason agĩkorirwo akĩdecide gwetha ũikaro mwerũ kũrĩa USA kuona maũndũ marĩa hanikaga muingi-inĩ gatagati wake na Samido ni ma-affectaga muno kairitu kao kuona she's a teenager and she has access to social media. So kiroko kia umuthi, Edday has shared some very good kana exciting news ciĩgiĩ her daughter akiuga she's doing well. Wona nĩ guoka kũrĩ mathomo make kũrĩa USA na wona nĩ guoka to her growing up to be this beautiful and amazing woman. She shared this beautiful photo yake na her daughter Charlene looking all beautiful, looking gorgeous, looking amazing. Akiuga she's feeling on top of the world na gĩtũmi agĩkorwo akĩerethera akiuga, as I proudly watch my daughter attending her very first school dance, it's incredible to witness her blossoming into a fearless individual, so blessed to be part of her journey. Nothing but prayers, power of prayers, and I am a proud mom. Fans ni magikorwo congratulate Charlene and also her mom Edday niundu wa that shared moment ya mami daughter makiria agikura na agithiaga na mbere na guthoma kuona it's a new year ya shukuru kule Charlene kule USA. Oroho fans ni makorwo makimurika Samido makimwira he's supposed to make some time for Edday Derito kids ona agikorwo mari kuraya kuria America ni wakorwo akiri part of their time growing up, their time in school kuona they also need their dad and they're still young kids who are growing up na kogwo ni marafatara fafa wao kuona Samido of late agikoretwo spend time tu na ciana cia Karen Nyamo makiria riria maragi celebrate moments cia birthday gũkũ ciana cia Edday riria iragi celebrate maundu tamaya shikaga fafa wao kũrĩa USA. Kogwo ni kaundu mashabiki magikorwo makimurika Samido nako gũkũ magi congratulate Edday and her daughter Charlene niundu wa that proud moment, that shared moment ya kairitu gake gagikorwo gaki-make step in her studies kũrĩa USA. Tugukinya ndeto icio hau tutigũcitenderithia makiria tucamanie in our next video.